Annie, you're finally done unpacking. Good. We're going to be late. Wait. Where's my purse? Dang it. There, I have my purse. Where's my luggage? Ugh! Oh my gosh. Can't believe you would do this. Here's your luggage. Oh, thank you. Let's go now. Yeah, we should go. Oh, we're finally here. I don't want to wait in a line. Ugh. No way am I going to wait in a line. Excuse me, I need to see your card, please. Your ticket. Okay. Let me see. Beep. You're good to go. Thank you. How can I help you, sir? I'm gonna... are you going on the plane? Yeah. Okay. I need your ticket. I'm going with her. That's my mom. I'm afraid you need a ticket. I'm sorry. Oh. That's not a real ticket. I'm sorry. What? I'm afraid you had to go and go out. There might be a mishap. How can I help you, ma'am? I'm with this lady over there. I need a ticket. Beep. This is a real ticket. Thank you. Thank you. Finally. I waited so long. I need your ticket, please. Wait. What plane is this? This is plane 164. I'm on the wrong plane. Okay, let me see your ticket again. I didn't scan it, so it might be real, but feeling it's not gonna be. Bam, bam. It's not, sir. I'm afraid that I cannot let you go in, no matter what. But I'm sorry. What's your name? My name's Bart. Okay, Bart. You don't have a real ticket, so please stop going on the airlines. Thank you. Let me take this. Hello? Oh, yes. Okay. Plane 164 is getting ready to leave. If you are on plane 164, I suggest you come here. Again, plane 164 is about to leave, so please get ready and go to the station. Oh no, I'm on plane 164. Yes, I know you're becoming, but I'm sorry. So I'm sorry, but I can't let you in without a ticket. But I can't let you in without a ticket. For the last time. Now get out of here before I call security. But that's it. I'm calling security. Security, please come up here at 164. Please come up here at 164. Thank you very much. Oh, gosh. Sir, if this young lady and pretty lady says that you need to leave before we throw you out of the airplane, and you will be no longer allowed to be on any airplane. But get out, come on, move your buttski. You can try in an hour. But his plane will be leaving in 5 minutes, so he won't be able to catch his plane. Who cares? I don't have an extra ticket for him. I wish I could help you, but I can't. Wait, I think I have his ticket. I'm sorry, but you're not allowed to leave not unless you have a second ticket. What is that? Sir, please move and do not talk to these people. But, fine. Thank you so much. I think I might have a ticket now. You think? Let me check. Well, this airplane is getting ready in 2 minutes, so let me see it. Tickets. I'm sorry, sir. Ding, ding, der. This is wrong. I'm sorry, sir, but just gonna have to say that's a dirt. Sorry. Well, here, let me check it again. Ding. Okay, suggest. 164 is now gonna leave. 164 is now gonna leave. I'm sorry, sir, but you were too late. Sorry. What, please? Fine. Go ahead and be dangerous. Okay, let's go. We had to wait, so. We have to put them in our luggages. Mom, you don't even have a luggage, so why do you even bring it? Guys, I'll be right back. This may turn out, so be right back. I have to go eat. I'm actually gonna pause. I'm actually gonna end the video. Sorry, you guys. I'll make a part 2. Bye.